Hi, in front of me is VIVO Y19 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by going into Recorder app and clicking on Normal or Call at the top. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the right one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To rename it, click on Rename over here, type in wherever you wish to and hit OK. If you want to delete it right away, select Delete next to Rename and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to play it, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!